Yeah, look, I do use Bitcoin as the regime filter. There are other ways you could do it. There's other indices, but to be honest, Bitcoin dominates so much of the market cap of the entire market right now. Not all of it, but a lot of it. That really has been a great source of as a regime filter so far. Now, for exactly what indicators to use as the regime filter, that's something you're going to have to test. What I'm going to suggest is we don't have a lot of data. There's, I think we said 4 bull and bear cycles sort of that we've got meaningfully in our data right now, something like that, depending on how you define bull and bear. And so you've got to be really careful with your regime filter not to curve fit the regime filter, which is a big trap, right? Because let's say you have a regime filter that turns your system on and off 4 times and it works amazing, and you optimize that regime filter and you get this really great looking equity curve, and you think, oh, I'm cool because I've got 500 trades in my database, but I've got and this regime filter really makes it amazing. Actually, no, you're in real trouble here because you've optimized something on basically 4 data points, 4 on-offs, which is a real big mistake. So for the regime filter, the important thing is to make sure that the regime filter works very broadly, no matter what the settings. And this is what I was talking about earlier, the stability of the system. We've got to make sure that we're not curve fitting. And, maybe you have one system with a regime filter of X and you have another system with a regime filter setting of Y intentionally, not because X or Y is better, but because you want to build in that diversification, because we don't really have enough bull bear cycles yet to properly tune a regime filter.